Okay guys, DBC locksmiths, 1920s push key padlock. Don't know if you can just about like that's the pressed number for the key. Into that side, and then you just make out the push mechanism on one side. There's another bit over the other side but it's not easy to line up. Little German padlock. I don't know if this is paint or it's actually dried on packing grease. A little pressed steel thing. Square. There's one of the keys. When it says it falls out, maybe better showing you that one. Shows up. That's it in profile, rippled. Only fits one way. Nothing overly fancy, but 1920s. It's just absolutely like new. Push it in, he says, and you can hear the padlock if you can't see it. Goes back in and sends the key flying. Fairly strong spring. Anyway, that's just a little shorty for showing it off. Cheers!